If you're getting this error when you're trying to download any form from Canada.ca website or anywhere else, it's a super simple fix. Whether it is immigration, whether it is doing your passport, whether you're doing any kind of download for the PDF, I will show you how to fix this. Firstly, for example, Canada.ca website, all the PDFs will be listed like this. It will be shown like this, where you will be having an access. Go and save the link as. Always save this link on your laptop or your desktop. Don't open this in new tab. Whenever you open this in new tab, the browser will show you this error. Once you go and save this link as, and here you save, once the form has been downloaded to desktop or laptop, the next thing you need to have is Adobe Acrobat Reader. This has to be installed on your system. If you don't have, just go and download this. You will be able to work with the free version to open any PDF document. Once this is installed, after you download, when you right click on the form, you see here, you will see this icon, which means your Adobe Acrobat Reader is now installed. You can open like this, or you can go and open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. And you see, you're able to open the form. It is as simple as that.